Good day everyone, I'm Michael J.D. Caspi and today I will be tackling about Aristotelian and Galilean views of motion. Aristotelian and Galilean views of motion. Aristotle says that the heavier the things are, the quicker they will fall, whereas Galileo felt that the mass of an object made no difference to the speed at which it fell. According to Aristotle, it requires a force to make an object move in an unnatural manner, or more simply, motion requires force. Galileo believed the only reason heavy objects fall faster is because air resistance slows down lighter objects. So if air resistance could be reduced, they would both fall at the same speed. Now, let's compare and contrast. Vertical views of motion. According to Aristotle, the element of earth moves down towards its natural resting place. Air rises to its natural place in the atmosphere. Fire leaps upwards to its natural place above the atmosphere. Water's natural place is just above the earth. And according to Galileo, if two objects of different weight are dropped from a height, both of them will hit the ground at the same time. Now, let's proceed to horizontal views of motion. According to Aristotle, bodies need to be pushed or pulled to maintain horizontal motion. While according to Galileo, if there is no interference, a moving object will keep moving in a straight line forever. There is no need to push, pull, or apply force of any kind. For example, a ball rolling on a horizontal plane would never speed up nor slow down. It would finally come to rest because of friction. He developed the idea of inertia, which is the property of an object to resist changes in motion. Now, let's proceed to projectile motion. In projectile motion, Aristotle says an object is influenced by a downward force of gravity. If we follow the concept of Aristotle in terms of projectile, the arrow shot in the air directly fall down vertically on the ground, as according to Aristotle, the impetus caused the object to move in a straight line until it was expended, at which point the object fell straight to the ground. While Galileo, in terms of projectile motion, Galileo established that the motion of a projectile is a combination of constant horizontal velocity and vertical motion. Projectiles follow a curved path. According to Galileo, projectile motion could be understood by analyzing the horizontal and vertical components separately. In conclusion, the concepts of both great people who lived at different eras helped us understand better the concept of motion and inertia. Thanks to Galileo's keen observation and experiments, we are now able to understand gravity, vertical and horizontal motion, and projectile motion.